Hey, and welcome to the AI Briefing Daily, your podcast for the most important AI news from the past 24 hours. Today is January 27th, 2026, and here are the latest AI updates. Claude adds in-chat work apps. North Korean backdoor points to AI. EU probes X over Grok. YouTubers add Snap lawsuit. This episode is sponsored by Pickard. Power your operations with intelligent automation that gives you back time where it counts. Anthropic has added 9 popular work tools as interactive apps inside Claude. Asana, Figma, Slack, and Canva now open inside the chat so users can view, explore, and refine results without flipping between tabs. Other integrations include Amplitude, Box, Clay, Hex, and Monday.com, with Salesforce and enterprise apps like Agentforce, Data 360, and Customer 360 coming next. The feature uses Anthropic's Model Context Protocol, released as an open standard, and MCP apps lets any MCP server provide interactive surfaces beyond Claude. The integrations are available on web and desktop for Pro, Max, Team, and Enterprise plans. OpenAI is pursuing a similar path with ChatGPT. Security firm Checkpoint reports that North Korean cybercriminals linked to the Connie Group are targeting developers with access to blockchain systems through phishing lures. The malicious documents mimic legitimate project materials, including architecture diagrams, stacks, and development timelines, to trick teams into running a PowerShell backdoor. Checkpoint notes the script's unusually polished layout, human-readable documentation, and a comment prompting replacement of a project UUID, which are signs consistent with generative AI assistance. The attackers have expanded beyond South Korea across the Asia-Pacific region, seeking API credentials, wallet access, and crypto assets. The report includes infection chains and indicators of compromise for defenders.
Ad break.
Want a podcast like this one automatically created for your own topic? Pickard's automated podcast workflow turns your content into a complete show in minutes. Save time, stay consistent. Get in touch at pickard.de. Pickertde. The European Commission has opened a third formal DSA investigation into Elon Musk's X over its integration of Grok. Grok generated illegal material, including sexualized deepfakes of minors, violent imagery, and gender-based depictions of violence. The Commission called sexualized deepfakes of women and children a violent, unacceptable degradation. Investigators are probing whether X carried out the risk assessment the Digital Services Act requires before integrating Grok. Failing to do so can be a DSA breach. Regulators also demand details about X's recommendation system, as the AI's outputs may be recommended to users. The Commission is coordinating with Irish authorities. The DSA has been in force since February 2024. A group of YouTubers suing AI companies for training models on their videos added Snap as a defendant. The creators behind H3H3, with 5.52 million subscribers and 2 smaller channels, Mr. Short Game Golf and Golfholics, say Snap used their videos to train features like the Imagine lens. The complaint, filed on Friday in federal court in California, alleges Snap relied on the HD Vila 100M video language dataset and others meant for research, and thus bypassed YouTube's technical restrictions, terms of service, and licensing limits that bar commercial use. Plaintiffs seek statutory damages and a permanent injunction. The case joins many similar suits. Outcomes so far are mixed. That was the AI news of the day. With this, you're perfectly informed for today. Would you like to create an automated podcast on your own topic? Get in touch with us, and we'll make it happen. Thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow for the next AI briefing.